Wow, look at this thing. Oh my gosh. Kidding me? This looks amazing. Can you guys believe that Worx sent me their new Landroid RTK robotic mower for me to test? I'm super excited. Shout out to Worx. This thing's packed with features. I mean, the cut to zero I'm excited about, because if you don't have to edge, that's a fantastic bonus, and let alone the RTK system. I'm not sure this was supposed to be in there. It's hilarious. Wow, look at this thing. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding? The cool thing about Worx is that their whole tool ecosystem, from the cordless side, you can reuse this battery in any of their cordless tools. Or you can use your cordless tool batteries into your robot mower. So you can almost guarantee that this thing is going to be charged. That battery is going to be charged at all times when it's docked and it's not running. Docking station, and you have the platform. I'm not going to take all this stuff out now because I can't set it up, but I did want to take it out and just look at it. And I'm super impressed. I mean, I don't know, wallpaper. V-SLAM, visual simultaneous localization and mapping. This thing looks like a beast, doesn't it? I mean, look at this thing. Very heavy duty. I mean, it's built very well. Oh, look, that's cool. Blades are very sharp. Nice. Now, Worx has been one of the biggest names in robotic mowing for years, but until now, they mainly only focused on boundary wire systems. Well, they just released their Landroid RTK Cloud, or Vision Cloud, and I'm excited to see what this thing can do. This mower especially interesting is the move toward RTK style positioning and a smarter navigation technology that's becoming a huge trend in the market today. With the RTK clouds not requiring on-site antennas or boundary wire systems around the yard, they're starting to become a legitimate alternative to traditional mowing. As you know, I have dogs, so I'm going to put this thing through all the tests that can possibly imagine to try to get this thing to see how what it'll do. And we're going to be on vacation for the next week, so stay tuned for a full review coming in the next few weeks. Everybody have a great Memorial weekend and have a great day.